details of time. 12:57 on Friday, the 24th of October 2014, is the front edge of time. We live on the forward atoms of the wave of time. It's now 12:58. This is a present, yet it's turning into the past as we stand here. What was future when I started is now past. What is this present then? Is this the place we don't even consciously understand? It's an illusion. It's not reality if it can't be held. It's a space between, yet we know of a place in our dreams, our imaginations, our creativity, where what we see, feel and do are touchable, yet untouchable. We are both front stage and backstage in the play of our existence. Backstage, front stage. Fantasy, reality. False, true. Unspoken, spoken. Unofficial, official. Unseen, seen. Unreal, real. Thank you for coming to my performance today.